Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 26. Chapter 49. Talking about your pets. I have a dog. Have you ever had one? What kind of pet do you have? Do you like animals? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite breed of dog? How old is your pet? What's your pet's name? How did you come up with your pet's name? What does your pet like to do? Do you take your pet for walks? Have you ever trained your pet to do any tricks? Do you have any funny or interesting stories about your pet? What kind of food do you feed your pet? Have you ever had to take your pet to the vet? Do you groom your pet yourself or take them to a professional groomer? Do you have any pet allergies? Have you ever volunteered at an animal shelter or adoption agency? What do you think are the benefits of having a pet? Do you believe pets can improve your mood or mental health? Do you have any tips for taking care of a pet? Have you ever traveled with your pet? Do you think having a pet is a big responsibility? Have you ever lost a pet before? Do you believe in adopting pets from animal shelters? What do you think are the most important things to consider before getting a pet? Have you ever had to train a pet not to do something they shouldn't? How does your pet react to strangers or other animals? Do you think pets can sense their owner's emotions? Have you ever dressed up your pet in a costume? What's the cutest thing your pet has ever done?